Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I am glad you're here. Our base coat is already down today. It's a nice color. It's Rust-oleum metallics, and it is the metallic seashell. Now, a lot of people ask me where I get this. The only place I found it recently is on Amazon, but it gets to you in like 48 hours. It's about $4 more than I'm used to spending. But when you go to Amazon, look up Rust-oleum acrylic metallic paints. If not, it'll just bring up the Rust-oleum spray paint. So I've had no issues whatsoever getting this. I've ordered it a couple of times over the past month, and I got this shipped to me today. I apologize for any background noise, guys. Lido is in the house. Hey, buddy, let's go out here. Come on. He is a busy, busy fella. Our pouring medium today, because we're doing a traveling ring cup, is a little thicker than my usual pouring medium. We are about 60% Floetrol and 40% Golden Gak 800. If I was doing a swipe, it would have been 50% Floetrol, 50% Golden Gak 800. The reason there's a little more Floetrol in my paints today is because Floetrol is thicker, and I need my paints to be a little thicker for a ring pour so that they don't fall apart. Now, how do you describe that drip? Everybody describes it differently, like warm honey, like a mound on a mound on a mound, like my sweet, beautiful Mina says. I'm going to describe it as a small mound on a mound. If it blops off the popsicle stick, it's too thick. If it leaves a big bulbous mound, it's too thick, and I add a little bit of water to it. I hope you can see that, guys. I know that consistency can be so hard. And it's so important, and different consistencies for different techniques, guys. My swipes are very fluid, so they move across my canvas a little bit easier. The ring pour is a little thicker, or thickerer, because I want to go slower and I want to manipulate my paints a little bit more, and I want them to hold their shape. A lot of times, sometimes I stretch my ring pours because I can see interesting things happening as I pour it out of my cup, and when I see that interest, I'm going to concentrate on that part, stretch that section out till I have it exactly how I like it. So we are working on such soft, beautiful pastel colors today. Our base coat, once again, is the Rust-oleum metallic seashell mixed with my Floetrol and my Golden Gak 800. In this yummy cup right here, let's take a look at that. We have the seashell's brother, and that is Rust-oleum metallics in the champagne. This next color was turned on to me by Laura T. Laura T, I'm digging on this color. This is DecoArt Dazzling Metallics, and that is the Mink Pearl. Let's take a look at that. This guy might be a little bit too thick for me, which means I will add just a squirt of water to it. See how the mound is a little bit fatter? I want a skinnier mound. Now this color right here is Golden Fluids Iridescent in the silver, but I didn't want the silver to be so silver, so I added to it Golden Acrylics, the Iridescent Pearl Fine, and this is in their heavier body paints. So it also helped thicken this paint up because it was a fluid paint, and I don't want my paints too thick. Excuse me, too thin. Let's take a look at that. See how thick that is? So I used that to soften up my silver, and I also used it to add some thickness to it. Let's take a look at that silver. Look at the pearlescence in that. A skinny mound on a mound on a mound. I hope that helps, guys. I know I repeat myself a million times, but you know what? That's what it took for me to learn. And this is golden iridescent pearl, which I needed to add some water to it because I used the heavier body golden iridescent pearl. And I wanted this to be so soft and delicate, kind of like looking inside a seashell when the light hits it. This is Color Shift, the very last of it, Blue Violet Flash. But I added to that to soften it up some of the golden iridescent pearl. So we're working with some lovely, lovely soft colors. I've got my extra cups right here, guys. I'm going to layer my paints in here, and we're going to pour. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad I'm here. Let's get busy, guys.
We can pretend that we're just friends, yeah, but who are we kidding? Game, I am willing to jump, 'cause I've been thinking about crossing the line and just giving, and I'm feeling the way I do. 'Cause I've been thinking about you all the time, can't get enough. I wanna make it with you, this time I'm gonna be true. Only you move me to the rhythm. we kidding? We can't pretend that we feel nothing, but if you're game, I am willing